In this section, we will cover compounding interest. Just like velocity of money, compounding interest is one of three components of the income machine. First, we have to understand each component before we can bring it all together. Compounding interest is a powerful financial concept that can help your money grow over time. But what exactly is it? Compounding interest is the process where the interest you earn on your savings or investments is reinvested to earn more interest. It's interest on interest. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you have $1,000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. In the first year, you earn 5% of $1,000, which is $50. So at the end of the year, you will have $1,050. In the second year, you'll earn interest not just on your original $1,000, but on the $50 interest as well. So you earn 5% of $1,050, which is $52.50. Now you have $1,102.50. As this process continues year after year, your money grows faster and faster. This is the magic of compounding interest. Here's a formula that calculates compound interest. And I also put the formula in the description. A is the amount of money accumulated after N years, including interest. P is the principal amount. R is the annual interest rate. N is the number of times interest is compounded per year. T is the time the money is invested for in years. For example, if you invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 5% compounded annually for 10 years, your investment will grow to approximately $1,628.89. The more frequently interest is compounded, the more you earn. Guys, if I'm adding value here, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will help with the YouTube algorithm and help this channel grow. Thank you guys. Compounding can happen annually, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, or even daily. Understanding compounding interest can help you make smarter financial decisions, whether you're saving for a rainy day, investing in the future, or paying off debt. Let's go into another example of compounding interest. This is an example I love to use to bring home the power of compounding interest. I'm on Dave Ramsey's website under the free tools. This is called the investment calculator. So let's just plug in some numbers here and show you the power of compounding interest. And remember guys, this is just one component of the whole income machines. And we have three components. We have the velocity of money, we have compounding interest, and strategic debt. Now let's check out the power of compounding interest. Let's say you are age 25 and you want to retire at age 55, 30 years, right? About how much money do you currently have in investments? Let's say $10,000. How much will you contribute monthly? Let's go with $2,500 a month. What do you think your annual return will be? This is the return your investment will generate over time. Historically, the 30-year return of the S&P 500 has been roughly 10 to 12%. So for 30 years, from 25 to 55, that's 30 years, 10 to 12%. So let's just go with 11%. So over time, contributing $2,500 over 30 years, the result would be $7,278,380. Now look at the value of compounding interest. Your initial balance was at $10,000 and your contributions over 30 years was $900,000. That was 12% of the total. And the growth was $6,368,380. That's 87% growth just off of compounding interest. In 2038, you hit the $1 million mark. Good job, you're now a millionaire. Okay, I can hear you guys now. But Elridge, I don't have $2,500 to contribute every month. Let's go down to $1,500. The result is $4,473,860. And you hit the $1 million mark in 2042. But check this out. Your total contribution was $540,000 and it grew $3,923,860. It grew 88%. Compounding interest is key to building wealth and is also a key component of the income machine.